Good morning, friends. Today is Wednesday, April 29th, 2020, and I'm going to go over the lessons for today. So, I have assigned color gradation, so you can work on color box 1 or color box 2. So remember, color box 1 is just the matching. You match two of the same colors. And then color box 2 is the gradation of the colors. And I had a copy of this and I cut it out and I laminated it and I can't find it. And it was very hard to cut out. I was going to give you a lesson on it, but I don't really have time to cut all these out again right now, but I think that you can figure it out. So you'll find the darkest, and then the next darkest, and then the next, and then the lightest. And you'll put them in order, and you should have two strips of colors, 2 of those. All right, so I'll let you do that, but I want you to master the first color box first, okay? So then we are going to talk about a shape called a pentagon. So you have this paper at home. This is a pentagon. Has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides makes a pentagon. So I want you to trace it with your finger. And I want you to say pentagon. This is a pentagon. And once you trace it with your finger and you've got that down, you can try using a pencil to trace it. Okay, this is a pentagon. And I want to see if you remember the sounds that we have learned the last 2 weeks. Do you remember this sound? This is a. And this one was ah. Ah. So we have and ah. All right. So the next activity that I assigned was the dry pouring. So let me go get my stuff for that because I forgot to get it. Just a second. Okay, so with dry pouring, I'm going to use a rug as my workspace, but today I'm using a placemat, which will work just fine. So we'll still have it rolled. I'm going to unroll it. There's my workspace. I have 2 little ramekin cups, and one of them has rice and one doesn't. And I'm going to pour the one with rice into the empty cup like this. One stays on the table, and I'll lift the other one up, pour it in. Then I set it down and lift the next one. Then I'll set it down and do it again. But you don't want to have both of them in the air. You have to stay on the ground, and you only lift the one that has the contents in it. There you go. Let's try pouring. I want you to work on that. And then I thought I would do a lesson. I don't think that I sent these home, but we can do it on our video, and you can follow along with me. So I have 2 cards. One says animal, and the other one says plant. So animals and plant. And then I have picture cards. I'm gonna set those down right here. Animal, plant. And then I have cards, and we are going to see if it's an animal or a plant. What do you think this is? plant. So I will put it on this side. Is this a plant or an animal? That is an animal. That's a little bunny. So that will go on this side. What about this? Is that a plant or an animal? It's an animal. Is this a plant or an animal? You see that? It's a plant. So we'll go on that side. Is this a plant or an animal? That's an animal. It's a bee. Plant or animal? Plant. Plant or an animal? Animal. Plant or animal? Plant. Plant or animal? Plant. Plant or animal? Animal. Plant or animal? Animal. We have 3 left. Is this a plant or an animal? That is a plant. Plant or animal? Animal. Last one. Is this a plant or an animal? That is a plant. So we have animals and plants. They're both living, right? Okay, I'm going to put my work back into my box. We always put our work away, right? We don't leave it out for Mom and Dad to pick up. It's our responsibility. Okay, so you have color tabs to do today. You have a pentagon to work on. And you have practical life activities to work on today. So, if you can't, take pictures of you, and send them to homeroom or Google Classroom so we can see how you're doing, okay? I'm gonna roll my rug. You guys wanna watch? Placemat. There we go. And then we hold it like this, and we put it away. All right. I will see you on